This scale will withstand typical cleaning methods and chemicals that are used in healthcare environments. This includes bleach-based, hydrogen peroxide, and alcohol-based cleaners that are formulated for healthcare cleansing. Do not use anything abrasive that may scratch the display. When cleaning, do not use excessive amounts of liquid that could enter the scale. In general, scales should be treated like a sensitive weighing instrument. These are durable products, but excessive wear and tear will occur if the scale is abused. Do not drop the scale, do not pick up the scale from the cord, do not exceed the capacity of the scale. Do not drop objects onto the scale. When transporting, avoid contact with other objects like door frames, and do not store extra cable underneath the platform. We are often asked when preventative maintenance needs to occur. This would start with a periodic examination of the scale's condition. Step on and off the scale several times. The scale should return similar weights. If the weights are off significantly between weighments, move the scale to an open area to be sure the column scales are not touching any other items like curtains in an exam room, for example. Look beneath the platform and be sure there is nothing underneath the scale. Be sure it is on a level surface and do not use the scale on thick carpeting. If you feel that the scale is not weighing accurately or you notice that abuse has occurred, checking the calibration of the scale is recommended. We suggest that you use calibrated test weights when calibrating and evaluating the scale. Only calibrated weights are a good reference. Comparisons to other scales may or may not be accurate depending on that scale's condition and calibration. Our scales leave the factory with an accurate calibration that will last the life of the scale if treated properly.